postgraduate program in communication design. This is a 2 years program. It deals with all the aspects of communication, takes you into a journey on the world of communication, teaching you about design experiences, creating, strategizing, and experimenting with them. And it is open to everybody, even if you're a non-designer.
Since the users have the tools and they're able to design their basic requirements, it's important for designers to become meta designers. And for doing that, we need a lot of collaboration and co-creation that has to happen. Keeping that in mind, we've designed the postgraduate program for you, which caters to all these requirements and needs.
We're also building really strong ethical practitioners who match the standards of professionalism anywhere in the world.
Knowing that the industry is ready for all new media and everything, we are looking at teaching the student all the media, a little of everything. They will understand how each media works. After that, having applied their strategic thinking, design thinking processes and critical understanding of the situation, they will come out with their project decisions on media.
And during this program, the first year has a common foundation which runs across different disciplines. So students of communication design, interior design, fashion design, they all come together for about 4 weeks and they go out and explore the environment.
Our 2-year program allows you to co-create and collaborate for the need of the industry, which is changing and represents the need of design in a global scenario in the areas of advertising, design research, design thinking, user interface and other allied communication industries.
In this semester, students also have an opportunity for an overseas exchange where they can actually go to Domus Academy and learn these skills there. During the summer vacations, they go for their industry internship. They come back and get into the project mode. Once they are through with these projects, they go on to do their final project, which is their final diploma project.
Once you complete this program, you can expect to be working in the field of advertising as a design strategist, a thinker, a design manager, working with information design as well as data visualization.
The interesting bit is that along all of these modules, there's also a little input that's given about life skills, which helps the students become more employable.
We are very keen that students be able to work with local as well as global contexts so that they are well suited for markets both in India and abroad.
So we are looking to create those communication designers which are going to delight the consumer, delight the brand, take the storytelling to next level, to be able to communicate those experiences across time and civilizations and brands through multiple mediums, starting from films to graphics to advertising to paper to television, name it. They should be able to take these experiences for a consumer to next level. And that is through what we are aiming through this particular program of communication design from Pearl Academy.